How to install an airless bicycle tire. First, I want to make sure that the airless tire will fit my rim, so I measure it, and I see that this is about 13 millimeters wide. I'll double check that to make sure that it falls within the tolerances specified on the website with each tire. Notice that we list that this will fit a rim between 13 and 15 millimeters wide, so it's safe for us to put the Daytona onto this rim. To install the Daytona onto this rim, all I need to do is pick a spot somewhere on the rim and try to push it in as best I can. Sometimes I can seat it in there all the way, sometimes I can't. Then I'm going to need the installation paddle that was shipped with the tire, and I'm going to need a cable tie or a piece of string or even duct tape if that's all you have. So I'm going to secure the tire onto the rim, pull the cable tie tight. Then I'm going to walk the tire around the rim until I feel some resistance. Now, all I'm trying to do at this point is to lift the tire up and over the rim. Just one little bit at a time. Now, all of our tires will stretch to fit, with the Daytona really being one of the easiest ones to install. All the tires will fit, some just take a little longer than others. Now, to complete the process, I need to go through the tire inch by inch and push it in and make sure it's seated. It will actually make a popping noise as I'm doing it. This is locking the tire into place so that it will not come off the rim. Once this is finished, this tire will give you years of service, trouble-free. So I want to double check one more time, making sure that the tire is indeed seated to the rim. Once I'm satisfied that's done, I can remove the cable tie and then mount the wheel to my bicycle. So there you have it, quick, simple, and easy, installing the airless tire to a bicycle wheel.